by the constant noise outside. It's when people talk loudly in movie theaters. The children felt by the clown's antics, laughed loudly. Watching funny cat videos is always the view from the mountaintop was I was by the magician's disappearing act. The magician's performance left the audience the progress we've made in technology is the documentary about ancient history was I felt during the long lecture. Climbing a mountain can be a experience. I felt by the difficult crossword puzzle. She felt by her friend's presence. The warm tea was on a cold day. Her argument was very she was of the benefits of the new therapy. He felt after failing his exam. The rainy weather can be she felt by the slimy texture, refused to eat the oysters. The smell coming from the dumpster was the movie's violence was the horror movie left me feeling his awkward dance moves were she felt when she tripped in front of everyone. The team felt by their coach's pep talk, played with renewed energy. Getting a good grade on the test was waiting in line for hours can be after hours of trying to solve the puzzle, he felt volunteering at the shelter is always she felt after completing her lifelong dream. He felt by the documentary, started writing his own screenplay. Reading her story was I felt by the amount of work I had to do. The support from my friends was getting a compliment is always she was with the results of her hard work. Listening to music can be very after a long bath, she felt and refreshed. After the yoga session, she felt by the calming music, fell into a peaceful sleep. A warm bath can be very I was by the sudden turn of events. The surprise party was the hike up the mountain was after a long day at work, I felt she was by the thoughtful gesture from her friend. The movie's message about friendship was He felt. By the news of the recent events. The movie's portrayal of violence was. The thought of failing was. She felt. About her upcoming presentation.